On the last RAG page, it is the date of only the most recent RAG rating that is displayed in the various panels. The card at the bottom left of the screen shows the most recent RAG rating across the whole school currently. Choosing the appropriate filters makes this date change to suit the most recent RAG rating amongst the pupils who have not been filtered out. For example, if you select Year 8, it is the most recent RAG rating in Year 8 across departments. Starting from the left, you should choose the filters which are appropriate to your inquiry. For example, if you are a year leader, you might want to see all subjects classes, so you would just select the year group to see which subject has been most recently assessed and those which have not been so recently assessed. Alternatively, as a department lead, you would select your department's assessments and your department's class groups to see which of your teachers have been ragging most recently. For more information about filtering, view the filtering video in this YouTube channel.